Hi kids! Today we are going to learn English alphabets. A for apple, A for apple. B for ball, B for ball. C for cat, C for cat. D for dog, D for dog. E for elephant, E for elephant. F for fish, F for fish, fish. G for goat, G for goat. H for hat, H for hat. I for ice cream, I for ice cream. J for jelly, J for jelly. K for kite, K for kite. L for lion, L for lion. M for monkey, M for monkey. N for nurse, N for nurse. O for octopus, O for octopus. P for peacock, P for peacock. Q for quail, Q for quail. R for rabbit, R for rabbit. S for sun, S for sun. T for tiger, T for tiger. U for umbrella, U for umbrella. V for van, V for van. W for watch, W for watch. X for xylophone, X for xylophone. Y for yo-yo, Y for yo-yo. Z for zebra, Z for zebra.